Hi everyone, Ben here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to issue a junior resource stock alert for a company called Galway Metals that controls two very high-grade metal assets, both located in Canada. Their flagship project is called Clarence Stream. It is located in New Brunswick, Canada. They have an open pittable resource on that property of about 1.6 million ounces of gold at a very high grade of 2.1 grams per ton. So that's one of the highest open pittable grades in the world. Also controlled by a junior, I should say. They also have 640,000 ounces of underground resources at about 4.5 grams per ton. There's great infrastructure on the property with power and roads. They currently have two drills turning as well on the property, so we're going to get a lot of news flow of drill results that could really move the stock higher. They're also commenced work on a mineral resource update that could be out in early 2026. So their other project is called Estrades. It is located in Quebec. It's more of a polymetallic deposit, and they give a resource estimate of 20% zinc equivalent. So very, very high grade zinc equivalent resource, one of the highest grades of zinc equivalent in the world. And they have initiated a preliminary economic assessment. And here's the resource down here, just a snapshot of it here. I believe this is supposed to be probably inferred, but around 4.4 million tons. And you look at some of these numbers here, very high grade copper, zinc, gold, and silver numbers. So very high grade VMS deposit located in Quebec. So unusual to see a company, a junior that controls one high grade resource. They actually can control two high grade resources. And look at the chart here. The stock was doing well, starting to get some momentum, get into an uptrend, and then sort of the downward trend in the market happen. Gold is pulling back. And so the stock has pulled back a little bit here. It was around 85 cents here at the top, and now we're trading at 65 cents. And the market cap is currently at $70 million. So a very cheap stock considering those two high grade resources. Also, very good management. This is the same management team that sold Galway Resources for $340 million. This Galway Metals is a spin out from that company. Also of note, the CEO, Robert Hinchcliffe, has been buying shares in the open market over the last few years. This is a news release from July 21st. And so far, in up to July 21st of 2025, in that current year, he's bought in 780,000 common shares. In the previous year, in 2024, he bought 1.6 million shares, and also in in 2023, he bought 1.6 million shares and over a million shares in 2024. So he has a total of 8.5 million shares, or 8% ownership of the country. So a very high ownership of the country, and he has been buying up those undervalued shares over the last few years. Um, okay, that's it for now. Not financial advice. I do own shares in the company. Please do your own due diligence, and we'll see you in the next one.